Guys, so welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to be talking about the pros and cons of day trading, and I got a lot of questions today on Instagram of people saying that I want to get into trading but I feel like it's too risky and stuff along those lines. So we're going to be just kind of going through the pros and cons, and I'm just going to kind of write them out for you guys so you guys can see them and we can just go from there. So, the con, one of the cons, we're just going to go through the cons first, then we can hop in on the pros. So, the cons is it takes time to master, really, because it's with anything. It, you know, a doctor's not going to become a doctor overnight. They're going to have to take time and really understand their craft, kind of how they learn. There's a lot of trial and error. That's why I recommend taking a course to kind of speed bump along the way. So yeah, so that's the first con, and the second one is there is a upfront cost. This means this is kind of the how much money you guys want to start trading with, and kind of for a sure trader you need a minimum deposit of $500. So that's the one I currently use. But if for anyone who's just getting started in day trading and trading stocks, swing trading, I would recommend using Robinhood. I actually have a referral program with them, so you guys can get a free stock just by signing up, and there's no commissions for their brokers. So it's really good. So, but there is an upfront cost, so that's one of the cons. But with any business, you guys got to think of it as a business, and it's going to help you make money. So, it's just kind of one way to look at it. And another con is, let's see, is I don't know if this would be a real con, but for for day traders at least, you have to be active, and you can't active trading, meaning you guys can't be doing other things than day trading. So that's why I day trade, is because I enjoy looking and keeping up with the market and seeing what stocks are volatile and hot. But so that's one. That's really not a big one. There's really not a lot of cons for day trading. It just takes a lot of practice and education. We can put that in there. Education. So, and that's kind of like what I was talking about earlier. Is it takes time. You guys aren't going to learn this overnight. So if you guys want a quick rich scheme, it's not going to happen. That's why I have all my strategies, my main strategy actually, laminated and on my desk, because I like to look at them just to make sure when I'm trading. I like to make sure that what I learned works for me. Like what I've learned, I've wrote it all down and it works for me. So as the stock moves and is following these guidelines, I know when to hop in it, when to cut losses, when to take profits. So one of the pros of day trading is you only work about 2 hours a day. So you work about 2 hours a day, and that's at most, because most of the time you guys are honestly going to be doing a gap and go gap and go setup, and that happens within the first 15 minutes of trading. And that's when a lot of stocks are more volatile, and you guys can make a lot more money than a uh, slow, stock moving up. The only way they'll move up in the day is really on news. So that's one way to kind of keep an eye on stocks. Another pro is you can work anywhere in the world, anywhere in the world. All you need is Wi-Fi access, which is great because if let's say you're traveling or or if you're doing swing trading and you get sent out for business, you can still make your trades, working another job really, and make your swing trades. Okay. And then a pro is you can make a full-time income, full-time income only. You can make a full-time income only working a couple hours. So that kind of ties into the first one here, and so on and so on. And another pro, let's see here. So I really enjoy, learning about this stuff and kind of doing it. So that's really the main pros and cons. This is where you're going to see, you're obviously going to have freedom to work. You're going to have, time with family, more time, with family, stuff along those lines. These are, what you're gonna have more of. You're gonna be able to travel more, spend more money. So that's why I trade stocks, is because there's no job that you can make a full-time salary only working 2 hours a day. So that's why I do it. So that is honestly the really truth of trading. And for anyone who thinks that the cons, they're too heavy, you got to think of how long did it take you to learn your career. Now, you don't just hop in it. It takes time, practice. So hope everybody enjoyed that quick little video here on the truth of day trading. Please sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.